How to find Facebook code generator. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Facebook code generator. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy drop-down. Scroll down again and you will see the option for code generator. Tap on that and you will be able to see a code. Make sure that the code shown on your screen expires every 30 seconds and a new code will appear every 30 seconds. So, this is how you can find Facebook code generator. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.